The iPhone SE series serves as Apple's affordable range of smartphones. Although the iPhone SE 3 was the latest addition to the series 2 years ago, rumors are already swirling about its successor. Unlike the regular iPhones, which receive annual updates, the SE series follows a different schedule. So, if you're eagerly anticipating the iPhone SE 4, you might have to exercise some patience. Apple's plans for the launch of the iPhone SE 4 remain a mystery for now. Considering the steady increase in smartphone prices, it is expected that the device will come with a higher price tag compared to its predecessor. However, this price hike may be justified as the device is rumored to feature an upgraded camera system, a design similar to the more modern iPhones like the iPhone 14, and improved display specifications. In terms of battery life, significant upgrades are expected for the iPhone SE 4, potentially boasting a battery capacity nearly double that of its predecessor. This enhancement could result in a longer-lasting battery for users. We have compiled all the available details about the device in one place. However, it's important to note that this information is just a preview and subject to change. We won't have a clear picture until we actually get our hands on the iPhone SE 4. The iPhone SE has always been criticized for its subpar camera quality. As a more affordable choice, its main downside has consistently been its lackluster camera performance. Reports indicate that the upcoming model may stick with a single rear camera, following the trend of previous iPhone SE versions. Speculations online hint that the device could potentially sport a single 48 megapixels rear camera. If this turns out to be true, it would be a significant upgrade from the 12 megapixels camera in its predecessor. However, it's best not to get too carried away until official details are released. If the rumor does come to fruition and the iPhone SE 4 does indeed feature a 48 megapixels camera like the one in the iPhone 15, it could pose a serious challenge to the Pixel 7's reputation as the best mid-range camera. Apple has always faced criticism for its limited storage options. Even the Pro iPhones start with a modest 128 gigs of internal storage, so it's possible that the base model of the device may only offer half of that. Nevertheless, a recent rumor suggests that the device will come with 6 gigs of RAM and offer 2 storage choices: a base model with 128 gigs and a higher tier option with 512 gigs. However, since the device is still in the early stages of development, there is no solid information available at this time. The design of the iPhone SE 4 is generating a lot of interest and speculation. According to John Prosser, it will adopt the design of the iPhone XR, making it bigger and introducing a notch for the first time in the SE lineup. This is a departure from the standard iPhones, which transitioned to the dynamic island design with the iPhone 15. However, Ming-Chi Kuo suggests that the device will have a more modern look, resembling the 6.1-inch iPhone 14. This claim is supported by rumors from tipster Redditor, who also believes that the device will be based on the iPhone 14. Leaked CAD renders further show the similarities between the iPhone SE 4 and the iPhone 14. Interestingly, another leak from tipster Majin Buu suggests that the upcoming iPhone SE might resemble the next generation iPhone 16, featuring dynamic island and a single camera on the back. However, the dimensions of the device are expected to be similar to those of the iPhone XR. It's worth noting that the same tipster later shared a different case design, indicating that the potential design of the device could differ from their previous description. So, while there is some uncertainty, it is unlikely that Apple will use the iPhone 16 as the foundation for the iPhone SE. It is more probable that the iPhone SE 4 will be based on the iPhone 14. We will have to wait and see which iPhone Apple has chosen for inspiration, and whether the notch will be included or not. Meanwhile, according to display analyst Ross Young, the upcoming iPhone SE 4 might feature a larger 6.1-inch display, similar to the one seen on the iPhone XR. There are also reports suggesting that the device could use the OLED panel from the iPhone 13, making it the first device in the SE lineup to have an OLED screen. Whether it's OLED or not, one thing is for sure: the iPhone SE 4 won't have the promotion feature with its adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. In terms of battery, leaked prototypes indicate that the device will have the same battery as the base model iPhone 14. This means a significant increase in capacity, from 2018 mAh in the previous SE model to a hopping 3279 in the upcoming SE 4. With this boost, users can expect a longer battery life compared to its predecessor. Interestingly, Apple seems to be following a pattern with the iPhone SE series. Just like the second-gen SE shared its battery with the older iPhone 8, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to use the same, a 2,863 lithium-ion battery found in previous Apple models. This move aligns with Apple's strategy of reusing components from older devices. Another potential change in the device is the replacement of the Lightning port with a USB-C port. This seems highly likely, especially considering that the iPhone 15 series already supports USB-C. With this change, users can enjoy faster data transfer speeds and a more universal charging experience. Meanwhile, the device could signal the end of the home button era, pushing Apple to consider new biometric authentication methods for its upcoming budget smartphone. Rumors suggest that with the introduction of the notch, the device might adopt Face ID, aligning with the latest speculations. Additionally, there are talks about Apple introducing an action button, replacing the Ring's silent switch seen on the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. When the iPhone SE4 hits the market, it is expected to run on the latest iOS version available. While iOS 17 is currently out, iOS 18 has been announced and is set to launch later this autumn. Therefore, even if the iPhone SE4 doesn't launch this year, it will at least come with iOS 18 pre-installed. The chipset that will power the device remains uncertain. The current iPhone SE boasts an A15 processor, but for enhanced performance, Apple might have to opt for the costly A16 or even a newer chipset like the A17. So, are you considering waiting for the iPhone SE4? Well, if you're not in a hurry and want an affordable Apple smartphone, then waiting might be worth it. There are rumors about a better design and improved camera, and if they turn out to be true, the wait could definitely be rewarding. However, if you're currently in the market for a smartphone, it's probably best not to wait. The release of the new device is still quite far away, possibly several months or even a year. The iPhone SE has always been a bit of a wild card when it comes to Apple's release schedule. Unlike the regular iPhone lineup, which sees a new model every year, the iPhone SE has only had 3 iterations so far. The gap between releases has varied from 2 to 4 years, making it hard to predict when the next one will come out. It's pretty clear, though, that the device won't be launching alongside the standard iPhones. Typically, Apple unveils its budget-friendly smartphone in the spring at the first event of the year. However, recent leaks suggest that we might not see a new iPhone SE until 2025. The price of the iPhone SE has been creeping up over the years, so it's likely that the device will start at around $450 to $500. Some rumors even suggest it could be priced at $429, the same as the current model. What do you think the new iPhone SE will bring to the table? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care.